The most dangerous trap in AI adoption isn't the technology, it's the mindset. You are still trying to force AI into the old SaaS architecture. Traditional SaaS is about input. You force the user to be the data entry clerk. You design forms, validation rules, and complex navigation. But let's take a look into a different approach. AI native is all about intent. The user manages, the system works. It removes the friction and focus entirely on the outcome. Let's take a look into working prototype. It took me 2 hours to build all the slides and just 15 minutes to build this prototype with real AI working in background right now. So we are getting some result. Let's say we do not like this and would like to change something. So in this case, we just need to type what we would like to change and wait for another result. Again, this is just prototype, but it's perfectly showing how it should work. If your roadmap is just about chatbot to legacy form, you aren't adopting AI, you're just rebuilding technical debt. Learn the difference.